If you already have a Sentinel A50 helmet, you know that it is an incredibly comfortable helmet to wear during any welding process. But if your job requires you to have some type of PPE, fresh air system delivering air inside the welding hood, well, you can retrofit the A50, or you can opt for the Sentinel A50 Air. This is a complete welding hood system that includes a powered air purifying respirator to deliver fresh air inside the helmet while you weld. The Sentinel A50 Air is designed with safety and comfort in mind. Most respirator helmets deliver air from the top of the helmet, often causing dry eye during extended use. The A50 Air delivers purified air to the lower portion of the helmet to prevent this problem. The internal fabric hood is easily adjustable for comfort and is removable for easy cleaning. The PAPR Air Delivery Unit has an adjustable flow rate to deliver the perfect amount of purified air into your helmet for comfort, no matter what conditions you're working in. So when you have a job that requires maximum respiratory protection, the Sentinel A50 Air will keep you safe and looking good.